po, second game po tayo, clad and purple or blue combination. Yan po ang Team Alforno, the Italian Masters. Also, sa kabila na po is clad in orange and green combination. Thank you. Clad in green and yellow combination. Yan po ang Tuktuk Saigon. Ito po ang illegal sikat PS Bigo Basketball League. You're hearing right now the team song po ng QBFR full of referees po. And afterwards po, ang PS Bigo team song po natin, courtesy by, nandiyan po si Mr. Richard. Yan po ang ating Okay, first five po. Yung first five po tayo. First five, tinatawag first five po natin. Before we start. Okay, ito po yan. Yan po. Brought to you by the following sponsors. And second final game po between Tuktuk Saigon versus Alforno Italian Masters. Okay, first five, tinatawag mo first five po sa ating larong ito. First five, nasan po kayo? First five. Okay, first five po. Okay, Alforno, nandiyan si Daniel. Number 78, Altaf, number 9, number 42. Nandiyan din po sa Alforno, number 42. And of course, si Hashim, number 42. And last but not least po, si number 24, yan po si Akshay. Kabila naman si Lakay Mark, nandiyan, Selbado, si Perez, si Galang at si number 5, yan po. Hikaw po natin, Daniel, how are you, sir? Hikaw po natin, Quintas. Sir, idol. And si Mr. Edward, number 5 ng, alam mo na. Okay, game. Ito na. First quarter action start. Okay. Akshay, binaba ang bola. Akshay. Nice! Hashim, 42, 2 points. Sinubo lang ang bola. Parang pinapakain lang yung buong ring. Perez, again, Perez. To Edward to Perez again. Perez, binababa ang bola. Selbado. Nakalusot. Selbado, running shot, no good. Rebound by Daniel. Pinasa Akshay for 3. Nope. Perez, binababa ang bola. Perez, 27. Edward, number 23. Perez again, Perez. Edward, 23, pops up, kapos. Rebound, Akshay. Hashim for 3. Nope. Rebound by Perez. Selbado. Palpal. Teng. Perez inbounding. Selbado. Kickball. Balik. Kickball. Hashim. Daniel. Nice D by 23. Abdul Zaris also is watching. Aero Ram is watching. John Rommel is watching also. Still, at 8 minutes 23 remaining, 2-0 po tayo at half. No. Rebound. Daniel, wala pa rin. One more time, Daniel, wala pa rin. Perez, binababa ang bola. Abdul Sari is also watching. John Rommel is watching. Ibot. Salvado. Kick pass. Edward. Edward for 3. Ayaw. Pops up. Salvado. No good. 23. Press 14. Malakas sa pasa. Hashim. Pops up. Wala. Nice kick out. Pops up. Wala. Meron pala. 3 points. Number 3. Number 3, 3 points. Fade away shot. No good. Foul. Dorian called for the foul. Okay, Abdul Sari, all the best for both teams. Number 9, floater shot, no good. Intercepted by Hashim. Akshay. Bang! 3 points. Perez, 2 points. Okay, finally now, Dr. Segonoso nakascore na rin. Hashim naman, Hashim. Hashim, side step move, 2 points. Out of bounds. Alforno ball. Atap. Daniel for 3, no good. Rebound by Salvado. Salvado. Alex Odell's watching. Tap out by number 24. Tap out by number 24. Alforno ball. Alforno. Tok second ball. Salvado against Daniel. 23, Ragusta. No good. Uy. Rebound by Daniel. Malakas sa pasa. Too much passing. Too much power. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. Again, one more time. Akshay, number 3. 2 points. Jain, number 2. Number 3, 2 points. Salvado, triple teamed. Stolen the ball. Again, Akshay, side step move. Foul. Number 27, called for a foul. Change player po tayo. Okay, second set po ngayon, Bakay and Company versus nandiyan po si Galang and Company. Salvado will retain with Chef Mano. Dorian muna, labas muna si Dorian. Yeah. Bakay for the inbound. Bakay for 3. No. Chef Mano, 2 points. Points for Akshay. Akshay, 3 points. Akshay, 3 points. Salvado for 3. No good. Rebound. Petulingan. Galang for 3. No good. Rebound by Perido. Salvado, wala. Perido for 3. Wala pa rin. Chaco naka-rebound. Chaco for the rebound. Now to Bakay. Bakay. Forward pass. To Akshay. Bakay thinking 3. Bakay for 3. For 2. No good. Salvado. 2 points. Omden. Akshay. Intercepted by Perido. Bakay, nakuha. Akshay, 3, no good. Chef Mano, to Perido. Ayun, Galang, malakas sa pasa. No good. Onden, number 8. Pinababa ang bola. Onden, pops up for 3, no good. Rebound by Perido. Perido, pinababa ang bola. Perido. Perido. Chef Mano for 3. Tapos. 2 minutes 49. Chef Mano, wala. Wala. Chaco, floater shot, no good. Chef Mano. Akshay for 3. Bang! Again, 3 points for Mr. Akshay. Galang for 3. No good. Bakay naka-rebound. Chaco. Akshay. Akshay again. Chaco. Intercepted. 2 points. Zig, 2 points. Galang. For 3 again. Wala pa rin. Salvado. Again, one more time para kay Galang. Wala pa rin. Salvado for 3 points. 3 points Salvado. 9:20 lamang po ng labisa ang Alforno. Alforno leading Chaco for 3. No. Salvado. Salvado for 3 again. No good. Alforno ball. Alforno ball. Bola po ng blue shirts. Hoy! Muntik lang. Traveling violation. Offos. On chain. Nice one. Salvado 2 points. Salvado 2 points. Chef Mano again nakanakaw. Out of bounds. Balik tayo. Parang bata. Chef Mano, 2 points. Sana. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Chef Mano. Chef Mano. Okay, Galang. Nauna mag-isa. Galang, 2 points. And that's it. And the first quarter, lamang po ng siyam ang Team Alforno 2013. Correction, lamang po ng 7 po ang Team Alforno 2013. Ha? Ayaw? Okay, back to the ball game. Perez for the inbound. Perez. Inbound po si Mr. Perez. kay Mark Dorian. Perez again. Perez, shake and fake. Perez, driving strong. Foul. Take two. Daniel Coke for the foul. Dante called for the foul. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Mr. Perez. Pops up. Pumasok. Okay, 14-20. Laman po ng anim ang team Alforno. Pat Albano, shoutout sir. Shoutout po si din sir. Foul! Nice try by Mr. Hashim. Hashim, the lefty. Number 42, Hashim shooting for two. Francis Jun Lipan is watching also. Adriel Belgado is watching. Luigi Del Mundo Gratil is watching. Edward for three. No good. Rebound, number 7. Rebound again. Again, nakuha na Hashim ang bola. Hashim. Give the pace to Dante. Dante, ilalim, malakas. 27 po tayo. Mark. Kick. Tulingan. No good. Rebound. Battle by Mark. Same ball. Nice hustle by Mark. By Mark Dorian. Ragusta, 2 points. Ragusta, 2 points. Jane. Hashim. Nakuha. Perez. Perez. Driving strong. No good. Woo! Out of bounds for Tutok Saigon. Bola po ng Tutok Saigon. 8 minutes 22 remaining. Bang! Parang volleyball ah. Nagusta 2 points. Intercepted again. Edward for 3. Look. Dante. Tapos. Perez. Take two. Okay, number 3 shooting for 2. That's Mr. Jane or Mr. Jain. Number 3 shooting for 2. It's in. Second throw jumper ready. 19-22. Laman po ng tatlo ang team Alforno, the Italian Masters. Tutok Saigon call for timeout. 19-23. Laman po ng apat ang team Alforno. Okay, back to the ball game. Ito na naman. Perez to Dorian Mark. To Perez again. Perez. Binababa ang bola. Perez. 27 Perez. Pops up. Edward. No good. Rebound battle won by Dante. Dante again. Pick up the pace. Dante. Dante. Easy two. No dunks for Dante. Perez pops up. No good. Rebound again by Perez. Jane. Hoy! Malakas. Too much. Out of bounds. Same ball. Tok-tok second ball. Bola po ng tok-tok Saigon. Perez. Nice cut by Edward. 2 points, Edward. 21-25. Laman ng tapat ang team Alforno. Alforno still leading by 4 points. Foul. Foul called. Tulingan called for the foul. Nice slice dice by Jane. By Taim. Nice slice dice by Taim. Slicing and dicing and popping. Ito naman, Perez slicing. Nice interception. Jane again, Jane. 2 points. 2 points, Jane. Perez. Number 7. Ragusta. No good. Malakas ang pasa. Too much pass. Too much power. Little power only first. Little power. Ito na tayo. Edward. Perez. 5 minutes 9 remaining. Pops up. Ayaw. Ragusta. Power move. Ragusta 2 points. John Micoy Vilacampa is watching. Simon Sibor is watching. Alex Hotel is watching. Man, nasaan kayo ha? May laban ng team nyo ha. Di pumunta rito. Okay, Bakay and company again with Ashim, with Chaco. Okay, again, Mr. Daniel or Mr. Dante will sit this one out. Ashim. Mark Jill Pulican is watching. Ashim. Shake and pick. Ang Espirido. Ashim. Bakay for 2. Bang! Bakay 2 points. Ito na naman siya. Foul! Bakay called for the foul. Mark Dorian shooting for 2. Mark Dorian shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Basket made for Mark Dorian. Second shot by Mark Dorian. Jumper's ready. 4 minutes 50 remaining. Going halftime. Both basket made by Mark Dorian. Akshay setting up the pace. Cross court pass to Akshay. Chaco. Akshay again. Wala pinasahan si Akshay. Same ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Bakay. Akshay for 3. Nope. Rebound by Perito. Out of bounds. Masyadong malakas, Perito. Ano ba? Hashim. Back again for 2. Nope. Rebound by Chaco. To Akshay again. Akshay for 3. Bang! 3 points back shy. Galang 2 points. 2 points Galang. Pops up. Again, back-to-back 3 points by Akshay. Okay, here comes now. Your time to take up the pace already. Salvado. Nope. Chaco. Hashim. Again for Akshay. For 3 again. Nope. Perito, 2 points. Perito, 2 points. Pops up. No good. Perito. Salvado na kong bola. Salvado. Nice one. Nice one again, sayang. Bakay. Binababa ang bola. Bakay. Again. Kick pass. Salvado. 2 points Salvado. Salvado 2 points. Aling muli po kalamangan ng Team Alforno. Number 8, 2 points. Number 8, 2 points. Salvado for 3. No good. Akshay. 2 points. Akshay, 2 points. Time out. Called by Tuktok Saigon. Hindi, ano? Baka kinuusap din yata, wag magtataktak ba, makatira ng ring. Pag na-share, tapos ang liga natin. Tapos ang laro natin. Okay, nag-time up po ang Team Tuktok Saigon. You're watching right now the game between Tuktok Saigon versus Alforno. And we'd like to thank the following sponsors. And i-share din po, Liga na Masikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, back to the ball game. Galang for Dimband. A minute and 49 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Perito. Intercepted. Again, Perito. Perito. Driving strong. Pops up. Nope. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball daw. Get the ball. Chaco. Hashim. Hashim. Scoop play up by Hashim. Salvado. Malakas. Nice deep by Durian. Okay. Galang 2 points. Galang 2 points. Again, still 33-43. Laman po na limba yung 10. Intercepted again. Chef Mano. May nagpapatay pa. Onden. No. Akshay. Hashim. 2 months pass. 20 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Perido. Ayun, galang. Malakas. Same ball. Perido. Perido. Chef Mano. No good. Bakay. 2 points. And that's it. Okay, second quarter is finished. The score po is 30-45. A 12-point lead been posted by Team Alforno. Halftime po tayo. While on halftime, let's call some of our sponsors. PSBQ would like to thank the following teams. Yan po yan, MC Cargo, McDonald's Qatar. Of course, Gana Basketball, Lucky Bishanti, Giants Gamitiol, Winners Apparel, Hookup Apparel, HB Cake, Shapex TV, and of course, Mr. Chris Budokwe, Mr. Iowa Nation at CAC ng Digital Media. You're watching right now the second game between Tuktok Saigon and Alforno. Halftime po tayo. We'll be back after 5 minutes of halftime. Pre, may ano doon? May shawarma. Game, tara. Okay, back to the ball game. Pre, tubig. Jane for the inbound to Hashim. Hashim for 3. Bang! Back to us. Number 8 also 3 points. Palpal! Smothered by Dante. Nope. Foul.
Foul is number 17, illegal. First personal foul, first team foul.
Dante shooting for 2. First shot, Dante is in.
Second foul, Dante.
Number 8, 2 points. Kasi pa nga. Papa. Thank you. Again, eto na naman siya. Salvado, scoop shot, no good. No foul. Uy, muntik na. Wag laglo, wag ganon. Salvado, 2 point and 1 play. Salvado and 1 play para kay Salvado, completed. Number 21, Salvado shooting for the bonus free throw. Wala pa rin. Hop! Backing violation, sabi nila. Back violation, backing. Rigo. Salvado. Foul.
First number 27, Nets. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Ouch.
Okay lang.
Ayos lang? Errol Ramos is watching. Muhammad Davis is watching. Dante. Foul, take 2.
First number 23, Augusta. First personal foul, third team foul. Tok-tok sa goal.
Tok-tok second.
Fouling the ball by first number 32. Adjust.
Perez, 2 points. Charmaine Grace is watching. 130 pa. 130. Siya yung 2 points. Kaya pala Perez. Rebound by Dante. Dante 2 points. Dante, rebound. Onden, 2 points. Okay, time out. Tungkol sa Saigon, 7 minutes 8 remaining. Okay, you're watching right now the second game between Tuktuk Saigon and Alforno. At 7 minutes 8 remaining, the score is 38-60. Lamang po ang Alforno. Please take note po, ito naman, that Shim and his company are threatening it to break this game wide open. 38-60 po ang score po natin. Okay, game. Tara, ito na po. Game na po tayo muli. Game na muli po tayo ngayon. Perez. Hashim. Onden. Nope. Hashim. Oh, 3-second violation. 3-second violation for Team Alforno at 6 minutes 17 remaining. Third quarter action. Salvado for 3. Kapos. Okay, bola pa na Alforno ulit. Bola pa na Alforno. Nope. Onden. Palpal, bahagya, pero pumasok. Altaf, 2 points. Number 9, 2 points. Looper shot made by Altaf. Pops up. Inside. Perez inside. 20-point lead. Ang Kalamangan. Altaf, 2 points. Altaf, 2 points. Jeric Venegas is watching. Perido, driving. Mark. Palpal, bahagya. Dante. Pops up for 3. Nope. Dante, and nope, almost had the game. Jersey number 27 for the foul. Substitution po tayo. Okay, Perido. I think it's Perido. Perido, labas mo si Perido para kay Mr. Edward. Si Perez labas mo na rin para kay Mr. Chep. Kapag gala muna, labas yan para kay Mr. Agusta. Dante. Pops up. Pasok. Dante, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Dante for second free throw. Jumpers ready. It's out. Rebound by Salvado. Chef Manu, 2 points. Altaf, 2 points. Altaf, 2 points. Mama Debs is watching also. Edward lost the ball. 2 points. Dante, 2 points. Chef Mano for 3. Kapos. Lost the ball. Same ball. Same ball. Dante. 2 points, Dante. I think sila ba yata sila wag magdadakdak yata. On then. Hashim for 3. Nope. On then. 2 points on then. Algapre is watching. Almir is watching. Amir is watching. 3:05 remaining. No. Walang pumasa. Walang tumanggap ng pasa. Balik mo po sa altapang bola. Balik mo po sa alpornong bola. Okay, substitution muna po tayo. Bakay in. Hashim. Okay, Hashim out. Bakay in. Hashim out. Bakay. Nakuha ni Mark Durian ng bola. Salvado, easy to. Easy to, Salvado. Jane. Rebound by Mark. Salvado. Mali. Dante for 3. Offline. Stepping on the line. Sayang. 2 minutes 15 remaining. So 1:30 tapos tayo dito. Okay. Jane to Bakay to Atap. Corner shot. Pasok. Atap 2 points. Chef Mano. Lost the ball. Galang for 3. Nope. Rebound by Bakay. Bakay driving. Dante, fadeaway shot, no good. One more time for Dante. Dante for 3. No good. Chef Mano. Oh, interference. Basket interference. Mark Durian 2 points. Basket interference. Or let's say goaltending violation. Jane again. Wala. Rebound by Mark. Galang. Malakas. Bakay. On then. Nope. Bakay. Driving. Foul. Jersey number 5. Edward called for a foul. A minute and 2 remaining sa ating third quarter action. On then for 2. It's in. Bank shot made. Pabanda. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Okay, back to back. Dante, back to back basket. A minute remaining. 49-76. Bang! Edward. 3 points by Edward. 26-point lead. Ang kalamangan po ng Team Alforno. Jane pops up. 3 points also. Natututo na rin sa atin. Hindi pong gano'n. Pops up. Nope. Bakay. Onden. Nope, ayaw niya. Good. Chef Manu. Foul. Foul. Chef Manu shooting for 2. I'll top vote for the foul. Chef Manu shooting for 2. Pops up. First shot made. Second throw, jumpers ready. A minute and 15 remaining. 150 na tayo. Good morning Qatar. Good morning world. You're still watching right now PSBQ second ball game po tayo between Tuktok Saigon and Alforno. Okay, ha? Madilim din eh. Kasi mo, kahit sa camera, kasi mo halata ito, madilim mo. May team area. Okay, Mr. Perez for the inbound. Perez. Pops up, ayaw. Selvado, scoop shot, 2 points. 9 minutes 45 remaining. Walk in the park ka rin. Dante. Pops up, Dante. Pops up, 2 points, Dante. Dante, 2 points. Perez, no good. Again, Dante. Jane. 2 points, Jane. Jane, 2 points. Jaid. Selvado. Pops up. Ayaw. Selvado, 2 points. 2 points on Selvado. Hashim. Onden, 2 points. Onden, 2 points. Pops up. Nope. Woo! Ay, wag! Wag naman ganun, please. High plate sana yun. Edward, 2 points. Bakay. Hashim. Driving. Labas muna raw. Onden, 2 points. Consistent yun din, ha? Consistent. Wala siyang tapon. Perez, 2 points. Simple lang. Walang ano. Hindi, wala gano'n nagbabantay sa kanya kasi. Pero ano. Hashim. Malakas. Malakas. 7 minutes remaining. Pops up, Salvado, no good. One more time. Salvado, floater shot, 2 points. Hop! Foul! Foul! Sabi referee, foul. At least may tayo napatanayan, ano, Hero. Hero, may napatanayan tayo. Kaya palang dakdakan to eh. Yung mga ring dito. Heavy duty pala sila. Dante. Foul! Jersey number 5 called for a foul. Substitution muli po tayo. Okay, Chef Mano, pinasok niyo muna si Mark Dorian kay Dagusta. 6 minutes 36 remaining. Bakay. Out of bounds. Tok-tok sa igong ball muli po tayo. Tok-tok sa igong ball. Perez, Mark Dorian. Pops up, no good. Mark Dorian, 2 points. Alpono ko for a timeout. 65-8 ang score po natin. Still a 24-point lead being posted by Alforno. Bakay, Altaf, Dante, bukod sila lang pasok. Again, Dante, kicking up the face. Dante, malakas. Perez, 2 points. Ay! 2 points Perido, 5 minutes 27 remaining. Ibot. Perez, 2 points. Again, tutok second ball. Perido. 2 points, Perido. Dave Perido, 2 points. Out of bounds. 4 minutes 12 remaining. Timeout, Tuk-Tuk Saigon, 3 minutes 53 remaining. Sila lang talaga. Naputol na. Pops up! Wala. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Contact. Traveling violation called. Too much stepping. Out of bounds. Wala pang tapon halos. Ang field goal niya, malaki field goal niya, percentage. Perito. Galang 2 points. Wala. Wala rin. Kapos. Malalim. Two points mark Dorian. Dorian 2 points. Points. Dante 3 points. Timeout po, Tuk-Tuk Saigon.
Sanggana.
22.
Bakit kayo nag-ipit yan?
Ha?
Bakit kayo nag-ipit na tao? Bawal naman.
Baka may naano sila, baka may natulugan. Ano bang sabi? Sa mamagitan, sa Peninsula, sa Gulf Line, Qatar Living. Ang alam kong Qatar Living lang eh. I made it 44 remaining. Tinamaan sa bulo. TS ball.
Kami yata.
Again, 2 points, Dorian. Nice shot. I'll tap 2 points. I made it 2 remaining. Chef Mano. 20. Nope. Ragusta. Perido. Chef Mano, 2 points. 32 seconds remaining. Dante, 2 points. Jam. What a jam by Dante. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Chef Manu. 5 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it. Okay, winner by 20. By 18 points. 103.85 Alforno team. Before we go, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Juventus not the second game for tonight between Tuk-Tuk Saigon and Alforno. Congratulations po for Alforno for winning the game. And we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po sila. And mainly McDonald's at our MC Cargo. And of course, Jana, Lucky Bishanti, Jana's Comiteo, Winners Apparel, Hookup Qatar, Hookup Apparel, HBK, JPX TV, Mr. Kisudukwe, Chinag Digital Media, and Mr. Ryan, Mr. I1 Nation. Thank you very much po, and see you again for another basketball action for PSBQ Basketball League. Live always po sa aming FB page po every Tuesday night, Basketball Action Night. And of course, nandiyan po kami always po sa the Burning Season International Tondo. Thank you very much po, and thank you very God bless po